Welcome to Awashed Anew with Brenda. I'm glad you are here. I hope you stay and gel with me for a low carb snack. I'm going to be blooming some plain gelatin and trying out for the first time some sheep milk yogurt along with some different spices to see how it goes. So here we are blooming and adding some vanilla extract. And I think I did a good amount of vanilla extract, but the spices could have gone heavier, definitely on the ginger. I've added some MCT oil because I'm working on producing ketones instead of insulin. Here's the warm water going in. There was 1 scoop of sheep milk yogurt in there. I remembered that a dash of cayenne would be a good idea and a couple ice cubes to help the project set a little quicker. I've portioned it out, and you can put this in the refrigerator to gel, or you can drink it while it's warm. And we're giving it a try, and I'm not real happy with the yogurt that didn't gel with everything. And that taste right there is when I figured out that there wasn't enough spices or flavors in there. So I added some cinnamon, some cayenne, some ginger, some lemon juice, and it became palatable. And if you liked the background music, I will put a link so that you can check out my relaxing keyboard music. Thank you so much for gelling with me, and I hope to see you more on Awashed Anew with Brenda.